Take a look at this digital countdown clock. It's the centerpiece of a viral website called BTC.day, and it is continuously ticking downward to April 6th, 2026. The internet is buzzing because of one massive rumor spreading alongside it. When this timer hits zero, the site is going to hand out free Bitcoin. Naturally, your guard should be up. In the crypto world, random internet drops promising free money are almost always scams designed to empty your digital wallet. But security researchers and developers aren't dismissing this countdown as a typical online fraud. There is a specific reason this site must be taken seriously. That reason is the person officially promoting the project, tech billionaire Jack Dorsey. Dorsey carries significant weight in the tech space, primarily because he is the original founder of Twitter. He also built his credentials in the digital finance sector by founding the global payment company Block. Curious, which leaves us with a clear paradox. Why would a financial tech billionaire dedicate resources to a multi-year countdown just to give away his own cryptocurrency for free? To understand what will actually happen in 2026, we have to pivot backwards and look at how the internet operated in the early 2010s. This historical concept was known as a Bitcoin Faucet. Early websites dispensed tiny digital drops of crypto into a user's wallet, strictly to teach newcomers the technology. Dorsey is reviving this exact historical model for the modern web. The mechanism for 2026 will likely be identical to those early days. When the timer ends, users will connect their wallets and receive an automated crypto drop. This countdown represents the modernization of cryptocurrency's oldest and most effective onboarding tool. But before you start calculating your early retirement, we need to do the math on the actual financial value you should expect to receive.
This faucet will dispense fractions of the digital asset, rather than whole, highly valuable bitcoins like the physical coin shown here. Instead, the site will dispense Satoshis. A Satoshi is a microscopic fraction of a single bitcoin. It takes 100 million Satoshis to equal one bitcoin, meaning your drop might be worth a fraction of a cent. Distributing these tiny amounts to millions globally requires them to configure a digital wallet, a massive exercise in crypto onboarding. The true value of the project lies in guiding the public through blockchain mechanics, rather than providing a lucrative monetary payout. However, a countdown stretching over several years creates an enormous vacuum of hype. Look at how corrupted data streams circle the core. This illustrates how bad actors use a long waiting period to prepare traps for eager users. As you can see in this comparison, scammers will deploy fake phishing websites with URLs that look nearly identical to BTC.day, relying on those subtle misspellings to steal your credentials. The first real test of this project won't be claiming the crypto. It will be successfully identifying the legitimate platform amidst a sea of convincing fakes. Which brings us to the absolute golden rule of digital security, one you must apply to this and all future projects. A legitimate project will never ask you to type in your private key or your seed phrase. If a site demands the core password to your wallet, it is actively trying to rob you. The project functions as an experiment in global internet education, emphasizing Dorsey's role as an architect of tech adoption. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep you updated as the 2026 countdown progresses. The process of claiming these fractions of a cent teaches the practical skills necessary to safely navigate the financial internet of the future.